Very good morning to everyone, class 9 students. As we already derived three three equations of uniform accelerated motion, v equal to u plus at and s is equal to ut plus half at square. Then one more third one, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So based on the two equations, let us solve some problem in detail with a simple explanation and step by step. Let us take the first problem. A motorcycle moving with a speed of 5 meter per second is subjected to an acceleration of 0.2 meter by second square. Calculate the speed of the motorcycle after 10 seconds and the distance traveled in this time. Okay, once again, a motorcycle moving with a speed of 5 meter per second is subjected to an acceleration of 0.2 meter by second square. Full stop. Then calculate the speed of motorcycle after 10 seconds and the distance traveled in this time. So in this problem we need to calculate speed of the motorcycle after 10 seconds and how much distance a motorcycle is traveled, right? So first of all, we have to know the three equations: v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Based on the problem, we have to select an equation or the formula. Okay, in the problem, initial velocity or speed, how much? A speed of 5 meter by second square. A speed of 5 meter by second square is already given us a speed of 5 meter per second is subject. Acceleration given a, how much? 0.2 meter per second square. 0.2 meter by second square. Then initial velocity u equal to 5 meter by second, acceleration a equal 0.2 meter by second square, then time t equal to 0. Then calculate the final velocity or final speed. So the speed of the motorcycle after 10 seconds. See here the three equations. Which formula has initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and the time? The first one, v equal to u plus at. So substitute the values. U means initial speed 5 meter plus a value we know, acceleration 0.2 meter by second square, and time we know 10 seconds. So substitute the values and simplify it. 5 plus 0.2 in the sense of 2. 5 plus 2, 7 meter per second is the speed of the motorcycle after 10 seconds. So here v is equal to speed of the motorcycle after 10 seconds. Then and we need to calculate one more also, distance traveled. So let us see again which one has time, acceleration and velocity. Distance, time, acceleration ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక ఫార్ములా s equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Also velocity, distance, time, acceleration there but no time given. So then first formula v equal to u plus at, here also no displacement or no distance, so we have to use second one. So distance traveled is equal, s is equal to ut plus half at square then initial velocity or initial speed 5, time 10 seconds, plus 1 by 2, 0.2 acceleration. T square ante T square means 10 into 10. So 2 zeros, so 0.1, 0.1. So simplification is our wish, but we should write the correct value. So 5 into 10, 5 into 10 plus 1 by 2, 0.2, 10 into 10. So 2 1 0, 2 0.1, no problem. Here we have 100 into 0.1, 10. So 50 plus 60, 50 plus 10, 60 meter. So distance traveled, so 60 meter distance traveled by a motorcycle. In this way we need to practice the problems. So then coming to the next problem, go directly. See, a train traveling at 20 meter per second accelerate at 0.5 meter square for 30 seconds. How far will it travel in this time? So here we need to calculate time. How much time or how much distance? So time already given. So how far will it travel? That means we need to find distance or the displacement covered. So let us write given values. Acceleration, a train traveling at 20 meters per second. So initial velocity u equal to 20 meter by second, and for us acceleration value given. Acceleration A equal to 0.5 meter by second square. Then time given. Time t is equal to 30 seconds. What we need to find out? Distance travel. S is equal to, see, initial velocity, acceleration, time, displacement or distance. Which formula we need to use? Second one. S is equal to ut plus half at squared. Substitute the values. U 20 into time 30 plus 1 by 2. Acceleration value 0.5 into t squared, 30 into 30 we can write. 2 1 jar to 15 jar. 2 1 jar to 15 jar. Then remaining 20 into 30 and we will get to 600 plus 450 0.5. 450 into 0.5. So we get 225. So how? 15 into 30. 3 5 are 15. 3 1 are 4. 450. 450 into 0.5. 450 into 0.5. So simplify it, then you get 225. 0.5 in the sense we can write 5 by 10. So we can write 5 by 10 into 15 into 30. So 0 get cancelled. 25 45 into 5. 3 5 jar 5 5 jar 25, 5 4 jar 20, 225, right? So that is equal to 825 meters. 825 meters. In this way we need to calculate the problems. So let's select the suitable formula. Right, next problem. A cyclist is traveling at 50 meters per second. She applies brakes so that she does not collide with a wall 18 meters away. What is deceleration must she have? A cyclist is traveling at 15 meters per second. She applies brakes so that she does not collide with a wall with 15 meters away. What deceleration must she have? So for example, here there is a wall. So what will happen here? A girl is riding, a girl is cycling, right? So with the velocity of 15 meters per second, and when she applied the brakes, she stopped at the distance of 18 meters from the wall. So what we need to find? Deceleration or retardation or negative acceleration. Right, she applied the brakes in the sense stopped, so final velocity taken as a 0. But the problem given initial speed or initial velocity u equal to 15 meters per second. Final velocity v equal to 0 because she applies brakes and stop. So stop and there is no velocity or the speed. Then we need to then know how much, at what distance she stopped her cycle. So 18 meters distance or displacement s is equal to 18 meter. So 18 meter away she applied the brakes, so the cyclist stopped. Then calculate acceleration. Calculate the acceleration A equal to. Calculate acceleration. So which formula? We must have initial velocity, final velocity, displacement, acceleration. Here no time given, so that's why we use the third formula, v square minus u square equal to 2as. So 0 initial, final velocity 0, initial velocity 15 square, that equal to 2 into 18 into s. We need to find out s. So distance s is equal to, we can write minus 15 into 15 by 2 into 18. So by simplification, here we need to calculate acceleration. We need to calculate the acceleration. So by simplification we get the answer finally. So simplify it. 15 2 into 18, that means 3 5s are 3 6 are 3 5s are 3 6 are. So by the simplification we can get still 15 50s are 15 5s are 75 by 12. 75 by 12, then when we divide with 75 12 we get minus 6.25 meter by second square. So we can't simplify chesukochu, no problem. 75 by 12, or directly we can take minus 225 by 80. 15 225. So this minus indicate deceleration, means negative acceleration, because brakes applied, so speed or the velocity decreases. Change in the speed or the velocity is decreasing, so we can say that deceleration or the retardation or negative acceleration. So therefore deceleration equal to 6.25 meter by second square. Keep in mind one thing, in the problem asked directly retardation or negative acceleration or deceleration, in our answer no need to keep the minus symbol, because already deceleration we can calculate it. Otherwise, instead of that ask directly find the acceleration when brakes applied, when stopped, it comes to rest. In those type of problems, when ask calculator acceleration, then we must write the symbol minus. That minus symbol indicates velocity decreasing or speed is decreasing. So this is the very important. In the problem asked to find out retardation or the deceleration or negative acceleration, in our answer no need to put minus symbol. Otherwise, just ask to calculate the acceleration, we must place the plus symbol or minus symbol. Minus sign we have to keep when asked in the problem the object is stopped or the object is come to rest, or when brakes applied, right? So in those cases we must be calculate and we must be know we have to get a negative acceleration. So negative acceleration అని ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇస్తే ఆన్సర్లో మనము మైనస్ సైన్ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అలా కాకుండా నార్మల్గా యాక్సిలరేషన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి అని అన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా మనము మైనస్ లేదా ప్లస్ సింబల్ పెట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది. స్టాప్ అవుతుంది, రెస్ట్కి వస్తుంది, బ్రేక్ అప్లై చేశారు, ఇలాంటి టైంలో యాక్సిలరేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయమన్నప్పుడు మనము మైనస్ సైన్ పెట్టాలి. లేదా ప్రాబ్లంలో డైరెక్ట్గానే రిటార్డేషన్ లేదా యాక్సిలరేషన్ కనుగొనండి అన్నప్పుడు అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయని అన్నప్పుడు మైనస్ సింబల్ మనము పెట్టాల్సినంత అవసరం లేదు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం. కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ద ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం, రైట్? So take the fourth problem. A car acquires a velocity of 72 km per hour in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, starting from rest, find the acceleration, the average velocity, the distance traveled in this time. A car acquires a velocity of 72 km per hour in 10 seconds. Starting from rest, find the acceleration by the average velocity and the distance traveled in this time. So a car acquires a velocity of 72 km per hour in 10 seconds starting from rest. So rest to starting from rest, and then initial velocity equal to 0 meter, we can write kilometer per hour. Observe the problem here given 72 kilometer per hour. So final velocity V equal to 72 kilometer per hour. Then time t is equal to 10 seconds. Time t is equal to 10 seconds. But this is the small unit, this is a big unit, so we need to convert this into meter per second. How to we convert meter per second? So 72 kilometer per hour. So it can be multiplied with 5 by 18, then we get meter by second. So 18 1 0, 18 4 0, that equal to 20 meter by second. Then what we need to calculate? Acceleration. acceleration A equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time, that is equal to final velocity 20, initial velocity 0, time 10 seconds. So 20 by 10, then we can get 2 meter by second square. 2 meter by second square. Then second one, the average velocity. Average velocity formula we know. Final velocity plus initial velocity by 2. Final velocity 20, initial velocity 2, 0. Then we get 20 by 2. So 10 meter by second is the average velocity. Then also calculate distance traveled. Distance traveled. How much distance it is traveled. How much distance it is traveled. So distance traveled, S is equal to, we know, velocity into time. Velocity into time. It means average velocity into time. Average velocity 10. 10 into time 10 seconds into 10. That equal to 100 meters. That equal to 100 meters. లేదు సార్ మనం ఏదైనా ఫార్ములా S ఈక్వల్ టు UT ప్లస్ హాఫ్ AT స్క్వేర్ అప్లై చేసేద్దాం. లెట్స్ ట్రై. ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఆర్ V స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ U స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2S. ఏదైనా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ S ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు UT ప్లస్ హాఫ్ AT స్క్వేర్ అప్లై చేస్తే U0 10 1/2 into acceleration we calculated 2 t square and 10 into 10. 2 are get cancelled. 100 plus this is 0, this is 0. 100 into 100, sorry, 10 into 10 100. So S is equal to 100 meters. Here also 100 meters. If you use another formula, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So V 10, V వచ్చేసి 20 0 2 into acceleration 2, need to calculate S square. So 400 equal to 4S. 400 equal to 4S. That implies you can write S is equal to 400 by 4. 400 hundreds. So 100 meters. So S is equal to 100 meters. See, by using simple formula, distance is equal to average velocity into time, we get 100 meters. Then by using the second equation, S equal to UT plus half AT square, also we get 100 meters. Or by using the another formula, V square minus U square is equal to S, also we get 100 meters. Right? So whatever the formula we use, we can get the correct answer. But before that, let us understand the problem first. Understand the given values, the main formula, simplification of the main formula. If required to change the main formula, we need to change it. Then coming to the next problem and the last problem. Describe the motion of a body which is accelerating at a constant rate of 10 meter per second square. If body starts from rest, how much distance will it cover in 2 seconds? Right. Describe the motion of a body which is accelerated at a constant rate of 10 meter per second square. If the body starts from rest, how much distance will be covered in 2 seconds? Let us calculate the distance covered. For that, write the given values first. Acceleration A equal to 10 meter by second square. Then time given, time t equal to 2 seconds, right? So the body starts from rest. So initial velocity u equal to 0 meter by second, because starts from rest. So calculate distance covered. S is equal to, which formula suitable? S, distance, initial velocity, time, acceleration. So we can use the second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus of at square, that's equal to 0 into t, 2 seconds, plus 1 by 2, acceleration 10, into time 2 seconds, so 2 into 2, so 2 1 jar get cancelled here, 0 plus 10 into 2, that is equal to 20 meters. So distance covered here 20 meters. In this way you have to practice many problems. Read the problem first twice or thrice, then understand the given values, then use the suitable formula, then simplify the suitable formula if it is necessary, otherwise substitute the values correctly. Simplification is our wish, but we must write the answer with the correct unit. Thank you so much. So dear children, so do practice more and more problems before the for the examination, and even you get more knowledge also how to calculate the physics problems. Thank you so much.